Alright, it's time to change out this bumper. We're going to start by removing the grille and then the headlights. Let's get to it. Fire it up! Right, so we've removed the bumper, and now we've got this this nice little setup from Rough Country. We're going to install these light bars that came with this bumper, surprisingly enough, and then we're going to get it installed on the vehicle. So stick around, and we'll get it done. Right, one bumper down, one to go. Alright, so we've got the old bumper off. Here's the new bumper, good solid steel bumper, and some of those upgrades I was talking about. We've got these steps here built in, and look at these. We've got some LED backup lights. This is going to allow the driver to see clearly at night. Well, that's a good looking bumper right there. But you may have noticed there's a little something missing in this area. Stick around for the next episode.